Earl's Old Fashioned, 26.3% ABV, Earl Grey tea, infused whiskey, vanilla salted caramel, and bitters. Hi, I'm Michael Chen, award-winning mixologist and creator of LAIBA Cocktails. Here is the Earl's Old Fashioned. This drink is best served in a rocks glass. First, we add the ice. You want to shake up the cocktail really well before serving. We recommend storing it at room temperature or pre-chilled from the fridge. Pour over the ice. Always make sure to give it a couple of stirs to chill it some more. The recommended garnish is an orange twist, but an orange slice will also be sufficient. And this is the Earl's Old Fashioned.